We got a beautiful day, and you know what that means. Another episode of Building Lucifer, let's get it! What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you, like I said, another episode of Building Lucifer. Guys, welcome back. This is episode 2, and I'm so stoked because we have a fun one for you today. We have S197 Teddy with us today. He's gonna be giving us a hand, and make sure you guys go follow this awesome build on Instagram. It's right here on the screen. Go check him out. But yeah, guys, I'm getting this started a little later in the day due to some unfortunate circumstances with the car. Nothing mechanically, anything really with the car. It's some parts that I ordered, so man, it never ends. It just never ends. But guys, as you can see from the title and thumbnail of this video, we are going to be doing the shaved Decklid here on BLUCIFER, and I'm so excited because it goes so well with the GT500 wing. And you know, we have some other goodies coming for the car as well, so it's all going to tie together very nicely within the next month or two. So yeah, that is what we are doing today. So guys, right back here I have the Decklid we will be installing. Many of you guys might know this, but the S197s clearly come with this big old GT like emblem bulging out, and I personally don't like it. So, you know, the other alternative is to get the shaved Decklid that's gloss black, and that is what we will be installing today, and I'm super excited because, like I said, it just doesn't look good. So guys, first things first, what we have to do is put this aside because we won't need this till the very last step. We are gonna want to pop the trunk, and we have to like legit pry this off. Underneath here, you're gonna want to run like a clip thing after taking these two screws out, of course. I almost forgot to tell you all that. And here's number 2. And honestly, I don't even know why they use these because this thing is held on by an absurd amount of clips. This is the fun part. Wedge that up in there, and we have to hit these clips. That one's out already. And just move down the side. It might sound horrid, but that's okay, because this one's shitty anyway. That rhymed.
So we're gonna keep it like this. Nice and paint matched, you know? Look at that. Nah, I'm just kidding, it's ugly.
Alright guys, now that we got the OEM Decklid off, as you can see, we have this big bubble, like bulge thing, and it's super unfortunate because you do have to cut the vehicle, which a lot of you are gonna cringe to this. That's the only downfall, is you actually have to cut on, that was my pet, it's Harold. Look at Harold up there, guys. See the little birdie? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this right now. I'm super OCD, I got a bunch of cleaning shit anyways. Just clean the Decklid, get it all prepped and ready to go, and you're gonna wanna cut along this line, and it has to be completely flat. Let's say you cut like midway on this bubble and left like a little bulge. It's not gonna work because the Decklid has to lay flat with the new adhesive, and the new Decklid does not have clips, so we'll get to that in a moment. And the Dremel we will be using is Teddy's, and I think he got this from Harbor Freight, not too sure, but don't buy the cheap ass one from Harbor Freight. I think there's a cheaper one than this. You don't want the battery powered one. Ramsey would know. Other than that, guys, it's pretty smooth sailing, and we've used the Dremel before on blue when we cut the fenders, so you guys kind of know how that works. So yeah, let's jump right on into it.
Even though we're about to make a mess.
Yeah, we're about to make a pretty big mess. Oh yeah, guys, and I forgot to mention, safety first. Hold on. Safety first. 15,000 mile Mustang.
It's out.
And there it is. It's pretty simple. I literally cut this in like 10 minutes. I could have done a much cleaner job, but at the end of the day, you're gonna see why it doesn't really matter. Next step, sanding. Stupid ugly thing. All right, let's get the grinding. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray this down again, get this clean, and I'm gonna lay a couple coats of enamel over the exposed metal just to play it safe. You are gonna be taping over this with a sort of duct tape, and not like the duct tape you guys are thinking right now. It's, you know, it's like a metal tape. So we just sprayed it on here, kind of like that, and you know, we just went ahead and coated it like that all the way around. Keep in mind, guys, you are not gonna see this, so don't freak out. It's always good to patch that up, and as you can see, we're just gonna keep going around there, get a good amount of coats on there, and that's gonna go ahead and protect that exposed metal, and you know, just be peace of mind. Alright, so this is where the tape's gonna come into play. This is like a silver like metal tape. I believe it's like used for AC and heating duct. if I'm correct. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and rip the appropriate amount, and we're gonna lay it nice and flat over all of these holes. And then by the time we're done doing that, we can go ahead and apply it to the main circle we just cut out. And we're just gonna go ahead and do like, you know, 2 layers of that just to make sure it's like, you know, covered. And this is gonna prevent water, or as much water, to get inside of there. And you just wanna protect this, guys. It's open metal, you just cut your car. You wanna protect it. You don't want water lingering around inside, so that's what we're gonna do is waterproof this. So here we go. But you know, we are gonna make sure all these seams are pretty tight. And yeah, guys, now is the fun part with the deck lid. So let's go ahead and prep the deck lid. All right, guys, so we have our shaved deck lid, and we can do a little comparison real fast. This is the stock one. This thing is essentially eliminated, which is why I'm calling it a shaved deck lid. Now you can see with our new deck lid, it comes with double-sided 3M tape. For the love of God, people, please go out to AutoZone, pick yourself up some 3M double-sided tape. It is pricey, but it's well worth it because this stuff, it's not enough adhesive. It's really not, in my opinion. We're literally just gonna doctor this up, like I said, and just add more in every which direction, just so it's a lot more stickier once we lay it, and we won't have to redo this. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the last one, and I know this might look silly. That's a lot. It is a lot, but I can promise you right now, you do it right the first time with some extra, and this will never come off. And we are just gonna go ahead and lay this. I don't know if we'll be able to film this. I'm gonna try to figure something out because it takes 2 people, because you wanna get it lined up with the trunk at the bottom on both right corners. That's important. So maybe I can mock something up and figure this out. You ready?
All right, so
Go that
like
side.
I said, line it up with the hands.
I'm good. All right, so we got it mounted. We're just gonna go ahead and clean it. Here you are, if you wanna do that. And when you're done, you can just shut it for them.
Brings me along the cleanest car right now.
Yeah. We knocked that out pretty quick.
Let's see what it looks like.
Let's check it out. Dude, that looks so much better. We got some other goodies coming in the mail too, but for a start, that looks so much better. Oh my God. And you know what I just picked up today, dude? That shit's gonna look too right. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the deck lid install. It makes it look so much cleaner compared to that stock one over there. And we made quite a mess, so we do have to clean that. But other than that, guys, it's super simple, and it just makes it look so much better in my opinion. So much better. So if you think so as well, drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. It looks pretty awesome. So, you know what? I do have 5.0 badges.
Can we do those?
Fuck it, let's do it. All right. I got some more goodies. Not only do we have the deck lid, but we have a shorty antenna that we are gonna throw on, which, you know, I probably will get mean for this, but you know, I wanna take you guys into every step I do with this car. And you know, I find it awfully funny because I can sit here and install an antenna and I still get just as many views as these other guys. Got him! Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this shorty antenna on.
I heard it's pretty hard in installation.
It is, dude. Like, if you cross thread, reception is done, dude.
You hear that, Andrew?
Yeah, watch and learn, buddy. This is how it's done. Oh, dude. Nah, but this shorty antenna, guys, the ones from factory are stupid long. And I'm OCD. Where's the seam at? We're gonna put
He likes the shorter ones better, guys.
back. But there you are. It makes it look so much better compared to the stock one. And not only do we have that, but this is my favorite. Like, I'm so excited to put these because this is like a make it or break it deal. And that is going to be the black 5.0 badges. So yeah, I think it is.
Grab by, there you go.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lay down our first 5.0 emblem. And I'm really nervous. How's that look from right there?
That's good.
I think we're golden, dude. All right, guys, our first 5.0 badge is on. That is not going anywhere. So we can go ahead and peel the painter's tape away. And my God, that just gives the car such a good compliment. Like, Ford, why do y'all do the tackiest shit from the factory? Like, look at that. Golly. That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. You don't really need to see it. It's the same process. And yeah, I highly recommend doing that because, oh my God, the car looks so much better with just a simple chrome delete badge. The other side.
Boom, and we got the second one done. Looking pristine, dog.
Stoked, man. It's the little details like that, like little details. And that reminds me, we have one more thing to install. Follow me. Badge delete on this one really made a difference. But if you want to feed those ones in and put the new one on. Jordan, I hope you enjoy the silver one because that one's yours now. And thank you, Teddy. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for today's episode of Building BLUCIFER. We got a lot of little stuff done that really makes a big difference. So let's go ahead and do a little recap. As you guys literally just saw, we put the strut bar on. That's black. That's good. We finally swapped to the black 5.0 badges, which look absolutely incredible, and I'm super happy with those. That's good. Coming over to the rear, we got the shorty antenna, which definitely makes a huge difference. It's not like that one that sits up here. That's good. Last but not least, my favorite part is that nice, smooth, shaped gloss black deck lid. And trust me, guys, when I say this, give me about 2 more weeks and this rear end is gonna be insane, I promise you. So stay tuned for that. And we're making little progress, little by little, and we're taking our time. Mustang Week 2019 is gonna be sick. And yeah, guys, I'm really looking forward to it. So I hope you enjoyed. And with that, guys, remember, if you did enjoy, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions and concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to I'm Too Slow 5.0. I like that, has a nice ring to it. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram, and thank you so much for your continued support. And for those of you that want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag, I see you used it, and boom, shout out. Guys, Building BLUCIFER episodes are dropping, and they are going to be dropping like hotcakes soon. I can't wait. I have so many big modifications coming to the car that is really gonna change it. Like, just so ready. Mustang Week 2019 is gonna be insane with BLUCIFER, the whole squad. It's gonna be awesome. Anyways, guys, but until next time, we'll see you later.